it's a fun, rollicking ride. People have told me that they get very emotional when they see it. There's lots of genres of music in here, so it appeals to all different age groups. You're going to recognize 30 songs from all different areas, from rock to hip hop, and from the Beach Boys, to Chapel Roan. Each section just speaks to somebody in a different way. And I think that the concert section seems to be the part where everybody really has emotional experiences and has a real connection to, and they think back to past shows they've seen. The photography is made up of mostly all well-known music photographers, and some new music photographers too, some new kids that go on the road with bands and take pictures. But we have all the great vintage photographers in there, like Jim Marshall from the 1960s and 70s out of San Francisco, Lynn Goldsmith, Danny Clinch, Neil Preston. All these people have covered rock for 30 or 40 years. And you're going to see highlights of famous Janis Joplin photos and famous Doors photos, David Bowie photos, Blondie photos from every era, from the 70s, 80s, 90s. It's a great collection, and one of the biggest collections of rock photography put together, certainly in an immersive experience, the only one put together. Rock and roll lends itself to the immersive experience for all the obvious reasons. Because you partake in it in your daily life when you go to a concert, and we're just bringing all of those things to life even in an even bigger way for you. So we're blowing up what you would normally go see, and we're blowing it up twice the size, so you have twice the experience. But you get, I think when you come here, you'll get a very similar experience to how you feel when you go to a live rock show.